Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Gastonia, or near Kings Mountain State Park, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Crowder's Mountain State Park, Kings Mountain, Crowder's, South Gastonia and Gastonia. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Cleveland, and Gaston. The National Weather Service in Greenville